So hi guys, this is your guy the trader Quant, and today I'm going to demonstrate a strategy and teach you guys a strategy, very powerful and profitable strategy that may help you in your trading and that can give you a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6 RR trades. And I personally use this strategy on the forex pairs and the gold, and it is highly profitable strategy. So you can test it on other pairs too. So without wasting your much of your time, let's jump onto the video and let me explain the strategy. So what you have to do, first you have to mark the Asian range. What time frame I am using? The time frame is UTC -5 New York time zone on the trading view. And let's mark the range from the I mark the range from 7 p.m. till 12 a.m. and mark the range like this. And the important levels are high and low of the range, because we expect market to sweep either the low of the range and give us a bullish entry, or sweep high of the range and give us a bearish entry. So let me mark the high and low of the range. And where is the high? So here we have marked the high of the range. Now we will read the price when it will be when it comes near to any of our level. So let's play the chart. So let's play the chart. You can trade on 5-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, whatever the time frame you like. So for me, I try to enter in 1-minute time frame most of the time. So market is going up. Now market is going down, coming near to our level. So let's zoom in a little bit. So let's play the chart. Okay, market is getting rejections from both sides. Now market has swept our Asian range low. So at that point I use a tool which is BigTrades Quant Analyzer, the tool that we have created and which provides the facility to see the footprint, and also you can, if you don't want to see the footprint, you can analyze the big trade orders happened at that point. So I use the footprint. So let me show you how I use the footprint. So as I turned the footprint on, you see the candle which has swept the low of the Asian range, has so much buying aggression in that, and also the buying imbalance in that. There is no such selling imbalance in that. As you see, the buying candles over here had the buying imbalance and also the selling, but there is no selling in here, and delta is also positive. So I what market will do, market will try to mitigate, tap into the imbalance area before giving its moving into the its right direction or giving a right move. So I put my entry or the buy limit at the area. This is the imbalance area and this is the imbalance area, these highlighted areas. So at this level I put my area at this level, and I will put my stop loss below this candle, because that's enough for stop range, because that's the area that we want to mitigate from the next candle before giving us a right move. And what is the right area to target? So the right level to set the take profit is maybe this level, the area of imbalance. You can see the imbalance at this point, the highlighted color. Okay, so this is the area of imbalance. So let me set it there, and let's see how much RR it is. So it is at least 1 to 14 RR. So you can close some partials there, or you can simply don't if you sorry so if you don't want to target that range, you can target 1 to 2 RR, 1 to 3 RR, 1 to 5 RR, or you can target these imbalances. Okay, so let's target these imbalances. And so it is around 1 to 10 RR, and let's play the chart and see how market performs. Market tapped exactly, let me turn this off so you will get market exactly tap at that area where the imbalance was, where we are expecting market to tap and activate our entry. Okay, so let's turn the tool on. Okay, now you are getting when that imbalance is tapped and the squeeze is happened, then you will get an aggression of the buyers and the right move from the buyers. And let's play the chart. And you see what happened. Market gave us a successful entry 1 to 10 RR. Let me turn this off. Market gave us a successful entry of 1 to 10 RR, and market went tapped exactly at that area that we have marked above, and market went down from that. So that's how you can spot the institutional levels and the activity, and you can enter with the smaller lot size, smaller stop loss and a bigger lot size, and capture the moves of the market, and capture like every institutional step and trade smartly. So if you want to get access of this tool, or if you want to know more about this tool, you can join my Telegram account, you can Telegram group, or you can watch my community sessions on the YouTube. So I had a base version of this tool, which is, and now I had created the pro version, which I have shown you guys, and I will post more videos about it on the YouTube in future. So thank you for your time, and hope so this session will help you guys, and this strategy will help you guys in your future trading. So thank you.